All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about landscape 8x10 photo preset. So let's go to Firefox, and I've already looked up the Hoover Dam Bridge 4K. Now what I want you to do is click on Tools, and we're going to go to Size and go to Large. So I want to grab a high-res photo, so that way when we go to the 8x10, it will fill the whole canvas. Okay, so let's go to, if we hover over these, so I'm going to click on that one. Okay, and let's do the higher res. So let's go to, that's as high res as it goes. Okay, let me close that one out. Let's look for another one, because again, it's important that we have a high res photo. So I clicked on that one. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in on that one, right click, and let's save this as, and go to the desktop. And then I'm going to close out this tab and that tab, and then minimize this, close out that one and this one. We're going to do File, New, and we'll do Photo, Landscape 8x10. Okay, I'm going to create, and then I'm going to do File, Save As, and we'll do 04 Landscape 8x10. I'll hit Save, and we'll do File, Open, and we'll grab that high-res photo that we just got, double-click on it, Control-A, Control-C, and then we'll paste it in here. And you can see that it fills most of the canvas. Now, the only reason that it's not filling the entire thing is because this is a wide image. So even if you just grab like right there, you're still going to get the proportion that you're looking for. Okay, so I'll hit Control S to save that. And that is a really clean photo, I have to say. It's very nice indeed. So that is the landscape 8x10. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.